Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ultrapods Max Wireless 5.3. First, ensure your earbuds are fully charged for optimal performance. Simply open the charging case, and they will automatically enter pairing mode. Then, go to your device's Bluetooth settings, turn Bluetooth on, and select Ultrapods Max from the list. You'll hear a confirmation tone, and for future uses, they will reconnect automatically. Controlling your audio and calls is simple with the touch-sensitive earbuds. A quick double tap on either earbud will play or pause your music and also answer or end phone calls. To skip tracks, triple tap the right earbud for the next song or the left for the previous. Adjust volume by single tapping the right to increase or the left to decrease. For your voice assistant, just long press either earbud for 2 seconds. Keeping your Ultrapods Max powered is straightforward. Simply place both earbuds into their charging case, then connect the case to a USB Type-C power source. The convenient LED digital display on the case will show the battery levels for both the earbuds and the case itself. You can expect 3 to 6 hours of continuous music playback from the earbuds, with the charging case extending your total listening time to an impressive 24 to 30 hours. Encountering issues? First, check that your earbuds are charged and your device's Bluetooth is on. If problems persist, try forgetting Ultrapods Max in your Bluetooth settings and repairing. For maintenance, gently clean your earbuds with a soft, dry cloth to ensure clear sound. Always store them in their charging case when not in use. This protects them and keeps them ready for your next listening session.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.